मॉर्निंग राधा मिसळी घरामध्ये परत एकदा तुमच्या मनापासून खूप खूप स्वागत. आज आपण मलेशियाला आहोत. आज मी ईस्टर्न हॉटेलमध्ये कोलालंपूरला आहे. इथला सकाळचा ब्रेकफास्ट कसा असतो ते पाहूयात. चला माझ्याबरोबर. मग विथ कॉन्डिमेंट्स, एक प्रकारचा राईस आहे, सांबल बावा, सॉस असतो त्याबरोबर खायला. चिकन करी, फ्राईड नूडल्स आणि इथे फ्राईड राईस, व्हेजिटेबल्स, सॉर्टेड पाव, पुतू मायाम, maybe some sort of rice noodles, chicken noodle soup or mee curry soup. They have given here some assortments just to mix up with the soup. So you will have some veggies, some fried noodles, some prawns, some chicken, different types of noodles. Something for Indians as well as the side. So this is like medu vada, sambar, roti, and some baked potato. This is the regular baked beans. And this is chawan mushi, some sort of a dessert dish. Types of sausages, chicken, beef, you can see crackers, sunny side up egg, plain pancakes with some honey, then corn on cob rather, and they have a egg station here. You can see like there is mushrooms, vegetables, onion, bacon, chicken, boiled eggs. आहे miso soup, again with some condiments here. वेगळे प्रकारचे ज्यूस, ऑरेंज ज्यूस, ॲपल ज्यूस, मँगो ज्यूस, डिटॉक्स वॉटर, platter thing again with the vegetables. So they have just kept it for salad purpose. So you can see different types of vegetables and their dressings. Then cut meat, you can see, and mustard, the different types of sauces rather. They have chicken porridge here. Plain porridge as well. Maybe this can be the kids section. These are just side condiments. They have kept the assorted cheese here. I think since it's the end of the time the cheese is almost gone. Fresh fruits. Then the potato salad. Again the basics. They have kept different types of cereals here. Along with the cereals, they have kept raisins, rather manuke, and coconut flakes as well. since it's the Christmas time, they have decorated it very beautifully. बघू शकता छान केलंय. बघू शकता like they have kept different types of Christmas assortments here, cakes, muffins. तर आपण पाहिलं की इथला ब्रेकफास्ट कसा असतो. खूप टेस्टी असतो. इंडियन फूड पण ऑप्शन भरपूर असतात, त्यामुळे काही प्रॉब्लेम आम्हाला आला नाही. हा व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल खूप खूप धन्यवाद. नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा.